What is up, awesome people? So, many times you guys have asked me when is Happymodel going to release a new product, and I always mention that I'll go bug them about it and check with them and see what's happening on their end. But those are all in words, and today I actually have the video to prove it. My name is Shogun Emperor and I'm one of the Team Happymodel drone pilots. In this series, follow me for the next few weeks as we journey around Quzhou City, Zhejiang Province in China with the Happymodel family. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Jason, new product. Jason, new product.
I'm busy now.
Jason, new product. Jason, new product. Jason, new product. Alright, so it may not be a new drone or the highly anticipated Crux 35 DJI O3, but this is actually a new product by Happymodel, which is the DJI O3 Air Unit Naked Mounts. Now the Mobula 8 is just a little shy of the sub 100 gram, it weighs about 109, and with the 2S 530 milliamp lipos it weighs about 111 grams. I would like to bring it down to a sub 100 where I can bring it to Japan with no issues and still have my 4K video. So here's an example of how the DJI O3 Air Unit should look like with its casing removed. And in today's build video, I will share with you on how I remove this O3 Air Unit casing and just try to decrease that weight down to a possible sub 100. Also, it's dependent on the lipo that you're using. Firstly, I apologize for the camera quality because this is in 4K but it's shot with my Insta360 Go 3S as I do not have my current bench rig, as this was shot in the Happymodel office. Alright, so diving in to create that naked DJI O3 Air Unit, what we're going to do is just remove all the necessary components, especially that DJI O3 Air Unit. We just need to remove that from the Mobula 8 canopy. So on the O3 Air Unit, you could actually see 8 screws, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. So what you're going to do is just remove the 8 screws and remove the top and bottom plate. There is a bit of the blue heat dissipating gunk that's there. You might want to use a paper towel to remove all that excess. Or if you want a really clean O3 Air Unit, then you could wash it off with isopropyl alcohol and a toothbrush. So once the top and bottom plates are removed, you need to be careful with this centerpiece as you need to pop this off and ensure that you do not damage the cable that's connecting the two PCBs together. So carefully disconnect that cable and gently pop off the top PCB of the O3 Air Unit. Now there's this connecting cable between the two PCBs that goes through that centerpiece, so you might want to just slide it out gently and not force it out. Now the next part we're going to focus on is the camera itself, and we're going to pop off that MIPI cable that's connected to the PCB. And next we're going to remove the casing of the camera. I'm going to keep the main part of the camera lens because I'm not able to fit an ND filter if I've removed the whole lens cover. Now for the DJI O3 camera, what you're going to do is remove 2 screws at the bottom of the casing, and you're going to just ease and slide that casing off, and of course gently wiggle the MIPI cable out of the case. So now that the O3 Air Unit's all stripped out and we can get down to assembling it back together with the naked mount. Do note that the center square piece is not symmetrical, so you gotta look out for that one particular bar that's just like slightly lower than the other 3, and this is to ensure that you fit the O3 Air Unit PCBs properly. The square piece goes in the center, and the 4 other bars are actually meant for 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom to hold the PCBs together. Now I won't be using the camera mount because I'm using the original camera mount lens cover, which is the one that is covering the lens of the DJI O3 Air Unit. While assembling, don't forget to put back all the cables that you took out and put the MIPI cable back into the PCB of the Air Unit. So once that is done, we put everything back together and make sure that everything is sitting nicely and there's not a screw that's popping off or anything like that, and insert the Air Unit back into the Mobula 8 canopy and just basically put everything back together again. Alright, so now that everything is complete and assembled, we're gonna put it on the scale and take a look. So with the DJI O3 naked air unit, it's 74.25 gram as compared to previously at 84.66 gram. And with the 530 milliamp LiPo, it is weighing at 100.58 grams, just a little short of the sub 100. But using a small 2S LiPo will definitely put this in the sub 100 category. Because it's slightly lighter, it's going to be slightly more nimble, and well, everything is done. It's time to head to the field. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and till the next one, thank you all for watching and see you guys again soon. Ciao!